rank is 1158, and let's see the daily sales and daily sales per month. So he calculate, and the daily sales per month is about 1981, then the daily sales is 132 for this book. So in this video I'm going to show you the book and everything about how to get the interior, and basically we're going to talk about the whole book. So if it's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In today's video we're going to continue with perfect niche number 14 or episode 14, and in this video we're going to talk about this niche, which is known as cursive handwriting workbook. So I found this niche using Flying Research. You guys know I always talk about Flying Research is the #1 way to search for niches, both for KDP and for Flying Research. I do top 5 niches of the week with Flying Research. I also do perfect niche using Flying Research. So I found this perfect niche using Flying Research. If you're interested, link is in the description below. And here is it. Oh, it just wiped out. So anyway, here is it right here in another tab. Let's scroll down, take a look at the BSR. As you can see, it is trending, guys. Look at this. It has been selling consistently, and it's the sales for this book is up, is estimated to rise, you know. So normally it's already selling well. As you can see, about 1981 sales per month and 132 sales per day. Now let's take a look at the royalty. Let's see how much this book is making. So we're going to do a little calculation as usual. Whip out our calculator there, and we're going to do 1981 times the royalty. So how much is this book making? So we're going to come to this other tool from Amazon, and the list price is this. So this book is making approximately $1.43. So I'm going to come back to my calculator. $1 times 143. That gives us $2,000 per month, approximately $2,000 per month. And so we're going to cancel that. 143 again times 143 times 132 for the daily sales times 100. So 143 times 132, $200 per month, approximately $200. I'm sorry, $200 per day, and approximately $2,000 per month, if I'm not mistaken. That was 143 times 1981. Yeah, to approximately $2,000 per month. So guys, as you can see, this niche is selling quite well, and it's actually the #1 bestseller in teen and youth adult composition and creative writing. So basically this book is very easy to create. You know, I always search for books that you can create and show you the resources where you can find the interior and everything like that. But before we get into that, let's take a look at the interior of this page. What makes this book unique? So it's cursive handwriting workbook for teens. So this book is actually for teens, but you can make another book for kids. You can make another book for adults. You know, not everyone knows how to write. So if you can search for the one for adults, let me just show you an example of, let me show you how I search for niches. So I'm going to whip out Publisher Rocket. So these are the tools that I use. #1 is Flying Research, and #2 is Publisher Rocket when I'm searching for niches. So I'm going to do a keyword research for handwriting, cursive handwriting workbook, and see what other searches people are looking for. So I just click 1, 2, 3. By the way, if you're interested in Publisher Rocket, there's a link in the description below. Look at this, it's all green, guys. Wow, this is crazy. People are actually searching for this. Look at the estimated monthly earnings: 9,000 here, 5,000 here, 6,000 here, 6,000 here, and here's the average list price. So I like to see when the estimated monthly searches are green. That's that shows that people are actively searching for this. And what I do is whenever I search for a niche, I just click all of this open. And by the way, Publisher Rocket is a one-time payment tool. It's not a monthly service. You pay $97 one time and you own this tool for life. So ever since I purchased this tool, I've never had to pay a single dime on it again. I just keep on reaping the benefits over and over again. The keyword search is not the only thing I use it for. I also use it for category search. As you can see here, it says category search. Yeah, I look for the best ranking categories that not many people use, and I plug my book in it, update my categories from 2 to 10, and I in about 2 days, yes, I become a, and I promote it. In about 2 days, I become like the number one newest release in that niche. So that's how I do it, and I've made a video about that. I'm not going to talk about it again. So I just wanted to show you that here is the niche that they focused on. They focus on cursive handwriting workbook for teens. So I was saying that you could focus on cursive handwriting for kids. Let's see if there's kids. Yeah, there's kids ages 8 to 12. If you want to specify, there's kids again ages 6 to 12. Not many people are searching for that, but people are searching for 8 to 12. And people are also searching for kids in general. So that's what I was saying. And you can also focus on cursive handwriting book for beginners. So let's take a look at the interior, the one for the teens. My potential to succeed is infinite. Make each day your masterpiece. Wow, that's quite motivational. Oh, it is a motivational cursive handwriting book. So motivational quotes, poems, and affirmations for teens, twins. All right, that's quite funny. Twins, teens, and young adults. So it's motivational book. I'm guessing that's why it's selling that well, because it's not just a regular handwriting book or cursive handwriting book, but it is a motivational book. We'll have the A's, the B's, the C's, and all. Let's see the total number of pages. By the way, it's priced $5.96. Let's see the total number of pages. I just usually scroll down here and you'll see everything. So it's 109 pages. So they have, I'm sure they have every letter of the alphabet, because I see A, B, C, and we'll have, I think, 23 letters of the alphabet. So each letter of the alphabet on each page, then they have the motivational one at the end. So that's what I'm guessing they've done, and that's why I always try taking a look inside to have an idea of what they are doing. They even have some stuffs at the back of their book. Oh, they have it's another advert. Wow. So you see, we are learning here, guys. So usually I see other books posting like the interior of the book at the back of the pages, but this book is posting the other books on the back of the pages. So this one is for teens. The one we're presently looking at is for teens. So like I was saying, they've already created the ones for kids, just how we're searching for using Flying Research. I'm sorry, using Publisher Rocket. I'm sure they're using Publisher Rocket too, because they know that people are actively searching for, and it says it's a great number of searches, you know. So people are actively searching for cursive handwriting workbook for kids, as you can see, and they've already created a book for that. So they've also created another one for teens, but it's a print handwriting workbook. So we can tell that this is selling, guys. If you want to create this book, be prepared to create these other books, because they are selling quite well. If he has posted, or he or she, I'm not sure who this. Let's take a look, guys. This is he or she. If she has pasted the pictures of these other books on the back of her book, that means they are selling well, guys. So those are all the additional niches that we should focus on, because we know that they are selling. The one for kids, the one print for teens. I didn't even know that this one existed. I knew that this one could exist. So they also have cursive handwriting workbook for adults. So let's take a look and see if the one for adults is selling quite well using Publisher Rocket. So we'll have the one for grade 4. Let's see if this one is, guys, this is an awesome niche. The competition is not even that much. Look, grade 4, average price $6, Average monthly earnings about $1,000. You have estimated monthly earnings green. Great number of searches. Not too many competition. Guys, it's just an awesome niche. I'm telling you. So that's the reason why I like using Publisher Rocket. By the way, once again, all the links to the tools I'm talking about is in the description below if you're interested. And I was searching for the one for adults and teens. Let's take a look at this one. Not too many searches. Learn cursive workbook for adults. So let's take a look at this. Not too many searches too, but the earnings is great and the number of competition not too much. So that's what I was searching for. Now let's go into the next part and see the interior for this book. So the interior I found on Creative Fabrica. The link to Creative Fabrica is also in the description below. You can start for $1, and I already did a search. This is what I found: 128 results. KDP cursive handwriting workbook. So this one is 8.5 inches, 110 pages, and 300 DPI. This is another one, cursive handwriting elements. This one looks like the one that we just saw. Anyway, cursive workbook, cursive handwriting. So all these ones that I'm seeing, I'm not seeing anything motivational. Anyway, I haven't opened it. It's just the regular cursive handwriting workbook that I'm seeing. But if you want to make yours special, I guess you can. Oh, there you go. So this one is a Bible cursive handwriting workbook. I don't think I've seen that one before. These other ones are just the regular cursive handwriting workbooks, the A's, B's, C's, D, L, But this one is a sub niche. So let's do a search on Amazon and see how many searches Bible cursive workbook is getting. So it is. Let me first of all open it and see how it looks like. I always like going for something unique because not many people are going to think about this Bible cursive handwriting workbook, because that's the reason why this other book is having great sales, because it's a motivational cursive handwriting workbook. It's not just a regular cursive handwriting workbook. So that's what drew my attention. I'm just going to paste that there. Over 1,000 searches, guys. So there's a Bible cursive handwriting workbook for kids if you want to niche down further. So we have 1,000 searches, just regular Bible cursive handwriting workbook. So let's do the one for kids and see. It's still 1,000 searches, guys. So let's just do cursive handwriting workbook without the kids in it. Let's see the searches. 2,000. So we say that when we niche down further, we can reduce the number of competition like we just saw. The cursive handwriting workbook is 2,000 results, and when we add Bible in front of it, it drops down to 1,000 results. So Bible cursive handwriting workbook for kids is actually the best niche to focus on. I'm not saying that the other niches are not good. They are good, quite alright, but this one has less competition, as you can tell, and we have a ton of other products here being advertised. So if you are creating this book, be sure to advertise it. As you can see, this niche is doing quite well. Look at this one, over 1,000 sales, 1,000 reviews, and this one. So this one I'm actually searching for Bible versus cursive handwriting practice, and they're not even advertising it, guys. And look how well this is selling. It's priced $7.99. We have this other one here too, Bible scripture cursive practice for youth, and $7.99 too. So look at the BSR, 500,000, 400,000. So it's doing quite well, guys, just like I expected. So look at this. Some people have already purchased this and they're giving good reviews. Wow, 38 people have already added this to favorites. That shows how many people want to upload this. So I'm guessing this is, look at this, 2021 October 9th. That's when someone gave a review. 2021 September 5th. I love it. So there's all the proof you need right here that this interior is great. So it's 8.5 by 11 inches, and it's also one PDF file you can just upload. or if you want to edit it, you can edit it. So guys, that's the first way to get the interior for cursive handwriting workbook. Another way to get it is by going to Fiverr. So Fiverr is another way that I use to get my interiors. If the interiors I search for on Creative Fabrica are not available, or I want something different like the motivational one that we just saw right here, I can go to Fiverr and I pay someone to create it for me. So for example, by the way, the link to Fiverr is in the description below if you're interested. For example, if I'm searching for cursive handwriting workbook, I'm just going to paste it there and see what brings it up. So instead of the Bible, I take out the Bible and just say cursive handwriting workbook. So we have a bunch of them, and over 24 services, and some of them start from $5, guys. So you can see they're quite affordable. And instead of just doing the regular cursive, we can tell the person to contact the seller to do a motivational one, a motivational cursive handwriting workbook. So just hit here, contact seller, and the person will be able to. Wow, guys, so $5, I was expecting that the $5 was going to be for one page. That I just got shocked. This $5 is for 10 pages. This is actually very affordable. You know, I've been working with Fiverr for a while, and I know that most of the time when they start with $5, like they always go for one page. But this is very affordable, guys. Let's look at the standard. So for $30, you actually have 26 page of letters. So the full 26 letter of the alphabet, you can have it for $30, guys. And you can tell them to instead of doing the pages of the letters or letters of the alphabet, you can tell them to do motivational ones just like this one. So what I do is when I find a niche like this that is doing quite well using flying research, I know it is actually selling quite well. As you can tell, it is projected to sell even more. When I find a niche like this and I'm sure that it's going to sell, what I do is I just get a link of the book, just get the link, and I give the Fiverr seller to recreate something better than this or similar to it. So that is what I do. And in order to get all the sellers rushing to your, all the customers rushing to your book, I recommend you pricing lower than this, maybe even $4.99 or $5 itself. So that's how you can draw all the customers to yourself with the right keywords, the right cover, because your cover too matters. You know, covers are the first things that people customers see. So I always like professionals doing it for me if I can't do it. So guys, that's basically it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.